Right now on Jamaica News Page Today, a deadly confrontation in St. Catherine. 4 suspected hitmen shot and killed by police during a dramatic late-night shootout on the Linstead bypass. Also, a teacher and her child murdered in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. The police are now searching for a close relative for questioning. And developing right now, investigators are probing what really happened here. A 70-year-old detainee seemingly fell from the back of a police vehicle. We have the shocking video coming up. Plus, reggae icon Buju Banton clashes with the government after claiming relief items meant for Hurricane Melissa victims were stolen at the port.
I understand. So when things are do things on them hard, you think up. What do you think up here though? You think that Terry Long life will up here live? I want them Luman life to up here live.
Minister Daryl Vaz hits back.
Absolute rubbish was posted, and I say so without fear of contradiction.
Jamaica News Page Today is powered by viewers like you. Please click subscribe and tap the notification bell to stay informed. Thank you for subscribing. Jamaica News Page Today starts right now. Developing right now. 4 suspected hitmen gunned down in a fierce police confrontation along the Linstead bypass last night. A motorist dashcam captured the sound of an intense shootout along the busy roadway around 9:30 near the Rosemount roundabout.
Damn! Oh my God!
Police say that the suspects had traveled from Kingston and allegedly carried out a hit in Guy's Hill, that's in northern St. Catherine. The men allegedly shot 45-year-old bar owner Horace Goody Crossman and injured another man. After the attack, the men reportedly fled the area and headed toward Kingston using the Linstead bypass. Acting on intelligence, the police intercepted the vehicle, leading to a gun battle that left all 4 suspects fatally wounded. The status of the bar owner is not yet known. Police investigations are ongoing. Also in St. Catherine, a deadly confrontation in Spanish Town Tuesday night. Police say a man was shot and killed after he allegedly pointed a firearm at officers during a chase through the town's busy streets. The deceased has been identified as 25-year-old Stephen Campbell, otherwise called Bugu, of Bendon district in the parish. Reports are that police responded to a fracas at a business place along Young Street in the vicinity of the bus park. Campbell was reportedly seen with a firearm, threatening members of the public. The police ordered him to drop the weapon, but he reportedly disobeyed and ran onto Burke Road, then onto Morrison Street, with the police in pursuit. During the chase, Campbell was spotted by other officers who were responding to a separate robbery call in the area. He allegedly pointed the gun at them, and they took evasive action and opened fire, hitting him. A .38 revolver, with the serial number erased, was taken from him. Campbell was assisted to the Spanish Town Hospital, where he was pronounced dead. The Independent Commission of Investigations has since launched a probe into the incident. And still in St. Catherine, police are probing the gruesome double murder of a teacher and her teenage daughter in Spanish Town. They've been identified as 29-year-old Tara Pinnock and 14-year-old Talia Pinnock. Miss Pinnock was a teacher at Bridgeport Primary School in the parish. It's understood that she hadn't been seen at school for the past 2 days. After growing concerned, the school's principal contacted the police, who went to Pinnock's home for a wellness check. When officers arrived, they reportedly forced their way inside the house and made a heart-wrenching discovery: the bodies of the 2 females found inside a bedroom with stab wounds. Jamaica News Page understands that Miss Pinnock lived with her common-law spouse, whose whereabouts remain unknown at this hour. The Spanish Town police have launched a full investigation into the killings. We'll bring you more details as they become available. You're looking at Flat Bridge and the Rio Cobre River in St. Catherine from earlier today, the scene of a shocking incident now under investigation. Both the Inspectorate and Professional Standards Oversight Bureau and the Independent Commission of Investigations have launched probes into the drowning death of a man after this camera captured the moment he fell from the back of a police vehicle Wednesday afternoon. We have frozen the video to comply with YouTube's content guidelines. The deceased has been identified as 73-year-old Melton Smith, a farmer from Mickleton Meadows, Linstead. Police say Smith was a suspect in a case of abduction and carnal abuse. According to reports, around 1 p.m., Smith was being transported from Linstead to Spanish Town when, upon reaching the Flat Bridge area, he allegedly jumped from the moving police service vehicle and fell into the Rio Cobre. Members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force and the fire brigade later pulled him from the water and rushed him to hospital, where he was pronounced dead. And now, it's time for today's hot question. Accident or negligence? Should police be held accountable for the Rio Cobre drowning? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. In other news, reggae superstar Buju Banton is among several people complaining that containers filled with relief items for those affected by Hurricane Melissa are being stolen at the port.
We're working hard and we're trying to do things to the country and we're doing that the cargo come, right? First and foremost, it'll take forever to give you the cargo, right? And when the cargo come out and we start looking to the cargo, Starlink missing, stove missing, and the barrel them half empty. See, nothing ever happened to Kingston. There's no reason for nobody at Kingston for your thief, nothing from the people of Jamaica. I'm gonna break my heart. You understand me? I should have come in and come going to some scandal back. Right? We don't let no clout and we know that the people in the dire straits. So we have a thief from poor people and thief from people who go through such a hard time. We're not blocking at the barrel. Blocking at the barrel, and so we answer a question. Where is the oversight? Where are the security measures? Because you can't go through the airport and fart. So how somebody leave the airport with so much things, all these things where these packages come tampered with. Right? On think that nice? We can't continue, so. We cannot continue like this. It's painful. Because we're up on the battlefield, I'm and even I'm from man, I run up and down and I meet people left, right and center to secure something for my nation. Right? Oh, me not secure, when just hurt my feelings, the blood clot. I don't have no idea. I not talk the common people, I talk the thief, the man with the Norman man, the airport.
Meanwhile, Transport Minister Daryl Vaz says he has electronic evidence that the theft did not occur at the port of entry.
Let me take time out just to indicate that there was an unfortunate post yesterday by a musician indicating that there were some wrongdoings in relation to the cargo that came for relief. While I welcome all efforts and attempts for persons to help in small, medium, and large ways, fact of the matter is that we must have an accountable system. And I want to publicly state today, without fear of contradiction, that I did an overnight investigation, including cameras and including the custom broker who handled the shipment. And I want to make it very clear that the shipment left the airport intact as it came, fully wrapped, and everything that was there left the airport in the custody of the charitable organization. It went to a warehouse in Spanish Town, which the government has no involvement in whatsoever. So as far as what we did in terms of making sure that the goods that were meant for the people, the poor suffering people, were delivered. And I want to thank all of the airport staff that continue to work so tirelessly under the worst strain and pressure to make sure that we manage all of these cargo flights in a smooth and efficient manner. I am the first one to say that it's not perfect because we are now overburdened with more flights than we normally expect. However, we are doing our best, and I'm going to ask for everybody to please just do what you are doing and do so in the best interests of the people of Jamaica. And do not cause mischief or nuisance, because I will be there to defend the government as long as it is on the seaside or the port side. Absolute rubbish was posted, and I say so without fear of contradiction. And anybody who wants, come to me and I will give you the evidence. We will investigate any case and every case because we want transparency and accountability. What we don't want is mischief and nuisance, and that's what was posted last night.
Attention Jamaica. A nationwide search is now underway for Jaden Smith, who has been missing since Friday, September 26, 2025. We desperately need him back home. He was last seen in the afternoon near Perth Road in Manchester, wearing a brown khaki school uniform, the same one you see on this notice board. If you've seen Jaden or know anything about his whereabouts, please contact the police immediately at 119. Let's come together to help bring Jaden home safely. And that's the news on Jamaica News Page today, powered by viewers like you. Please click subscribe and tap the notification bell to stay informed. Thank you for watching and subscribing. We'll see you in the comments, and be sure to join us again for more news.